Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make Turkish pasta. In a pan, add some boiled water, 300 grams pasta, 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon salt. Boil it for 11 to 12 minutes. Take a bowl and add 150 gram yogurt, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix it and put it on the side. Heat the pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons oil, 3 cloves chopped garlic, 1 medium chopped onion. Stir it and cook until the onion has softened. Add 600 grams beef or lamb mince. Stir it and cook until it absorbs all the water. Now add 1 teaspoon paprika powder, half teaspoon black pepper, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili, 2 to 3 tablespoons red pepper sauce or tomato sauce. Mix it and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the flame off. Heat the pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon paprika powder. Mix it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn the flame off. In a bowl, add the pasta, cooked mince, yogurt sauce and butter sauce. Add some tomatoes. Garnish with parsley. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.